Look at how soft and flexible these are. You're gonna take your lash tape, tape it down really close to the base of your lid where your lashes grow out, and then you're gonna lift it up and you're just gonna tape it up to your eyebrow like this. We are going to take the bond side of our bond and seal. This kit comes with a black bond, which is your glue. So we are going to take this black bond and we're gonna put it all over our lashes as if we were putting mascara on. A lot of people will say, oh my gosh, you're only supposed to put it on the base. I specifically tell you guys on purpose to put this from root to tip because that's what's going to make your lashes last longer. And it's also what's going to prevent your lashes from trying to twist, turn, and rotate on your eye. This method does not cause any damage to your lashes. You can see that my natural lashes are long and healthy. As long as you're soaking your lashes off at the end of the week and not wearing your lashes longer than a week, you will not have any damage, as you can see here. Once we put that glue all over our lash like mascara, we're gonna let it dry for about 45 seconds to get tacky. That's just gonna help the fake lash stick a little bit better and make your life a little easier. What you need to do is dip your applicator in water every single time you pick up a lash. Your applicator is gonna get sticky from this process and your fake lash is gonna try to stick to your applicator. So that's why we dip it in water every single time, to prevent the lash from sticking to the applicator. So what I want you to do is avoid grabbing your lash out of the box from the tip like this, because that's actually going to rip your lash in half. I want you to just pluck it out from the bottom like this. The bottom of the lash is the strongest part of the lash. Okay, so that's why I want you to grab it from the bottom. Once you grab your lash from the base like this, you're gonna grab it with your other hand. You're gonna come back in with your applicator, and now you're gonna grab it from the tip of the lash, and we will apply it from the tip. So the reason we have our eyeball taped up is so we can see that waterline. So I need you to make sure you don't get that lash inside your waterline. You're gonna try to get it as close as you can, but without actually getting it in the pink, because if it gets in the pink, it's gonna hurt and itch and irritate you later. This needs to be stuck to your lashes only. The other important thing is that we have to make sure the fake lash is at the same angle as our natural lashes. So you can't just go and apply them all straight up like this. You have to angle it out for the outer corner, and then as we move to the inner corner, we have to match the angle. So what I find makes this easier is tilting my head like this to get the angle, and then as I move towards the inner corner, I just keep tilting my head. And get this lash as close as you can get it to the base of your lashes, but without getting it inside that waterline. Do side by side, no overlap. We're going to dip our applicator in water, and we are going to reptile blink, and we are going to pinch all of our lashes. Ow! See how it's sticking? That's why we dip the applicator in water. This glue is very sticky, which is good. That's how it makes your lashes stay on for an entire week. But, ow, it hurts. So that's why we dip our applicator in water every single time. Root to tip. You can't skip this step. Don't neglect the middle ones. And we're going to take the seal side of our bond and seal. We're just going to put a little bit of this at the base of the lashes. We're going to dip our applicator in water. So we pinched our lashes, we sealed them, and now we're going to pinch them again. These lashes will stay on for an entire week. Very, very, very last step to doing our cluster lashes is to take a Q-tip. You're going to dip your Q-tip in water so that it's not fuzzy. You're going to tap this Q-tip on your waterline. So we're just going to make sure that we don't have any dry glue or seal on that waterline. Lash reveal, lash reveal.